Tired of your MacBook screen cramping your style and stealing precious desk real estate? I'm going to show you how to rock a clean, streamlined workstation by using your MacBook with an external monitor while keeping the lid closed. So let's get right to it. First, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. In the System Settings window, find and click on Displays. Now, make sure your external monitor is detected. If it's not, click the Detect Displays button once your monitor is recognized. Ensure the Mirror Displays box is unchecked. Next, use the drop-down menu labeled Use As and ensure that your external monitor is set as Extended Display or Main Display. This next step is really important for this to work, so make sure you have a wired or wireless keyboard and mouse connected to your MacBook. This is how you awake and interact with your MacBook while the lid is closed. Now, with your external monitor connected, keyboard and mouse paired, simply close the lid of your MacBook. Your external display should now be active, and you can use your keyboard and mouse to wake and control your Mac, enjoying all the benefits of a larger screen without the clutter. That's all there is to it. Have fun with your new setup.